Good morning class 9th student. Today I will explain you about status of matter and its interconversion. Earlier it was told and we all know that mainly there were three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. But now two more are added according to the research, that is plasma and the Bose-Einstein condensate or BEC. I will explain you them one by one. Solid, they have rigid shape and fixed volume. Their particles are tightly bound to each other, and the force to break the particles away must be strong to break the solid substance. And liquid, they do not have fixed shape, but they have fixed volume. They have not fixed shape, they take the shape of the container in which they are kept. The particles in them are move far away from each other than solid, but very less as compared to liquid. But in cases of liquid, the particles are very much far away from each other, and they are in constant randomly motion. They do not have fixed shape, neither they have fixed volume. They fill the container, they fully fill the container in which they are kept. Now the fourth state of matter, plasma, they have very much excited state and ionized gas in them. You have seen the fluorescent bulbs or neon bulbs that shine, that are made of plasma, because the gases are in very excited and ionized state in them. The stars, the sun, we have seen the hot gases present in them. The volcanoes are the example of plasma. Now our scientist Satyendra Subhash Chandra Bose and Einstein together found a fifth state of matter that they named according to their names, Bose-Einstein condensate. They found that when gas is cooled at extremely low temperature at very low density, it takes other state of matter rather than this four that they named as Bose-Einstein condensate, that you'll read further in the higher classes. Now we see the interconversion. The all three states of matter, mainly solid, liquid and gas, they can be interconverted into each other, can be interconverted into their forms by applying temperature and pressure at various rate and situations. By applying temperature and pressure, we can interconvert them into their three forms. We know that water exists in all the three forms: ice as solid, as water in liquid, and in gases as in water vapors. Now see the water conversion. I have made a flow chart. Listen to me and see the chart carefully. Liquid, when the high temperature or liquid is boiled at its boiling point, then the evaporation occurs and the liquid is changed into gaseous state. You have seen when we boil water, it changes into water vapors, that is its gaseous state. So by applying high temperature to liquid, it can be changed into gaseous state. Now gas can also be turned into a liquid, that is vice versa to evaporation, that we call it condensation or liquefaction. You know that gas, there is a high effect of pressure on gas. When we apply high pressure to the gas molecule compress, their volume increase, so the particles volume increase, so their particles move together. Particles come nearer as they were before. So by applying pressure to gas, they can be condensate, and by lowering the temperature, gas is by applying raising the pressure and lowering the temperature, the gas can be condensated or liquefied into the liquid. Now the liquid can again be turned into a solid or freeze into solid. Water can be turned into ice, that is called solidification or freezing. By lowering the temperature, we put the water at below this freezing point or 0 degrees Celsius in the refrigerator, that when the water becomes solid or ice. Now the solid can also be turned into liquid again. That process is known as melting or fusion. That can be done by boiling the solid or ice by high raising their temperature. Now the solid can be directly converted into gas also. That process is known as sublimation. Without going into liquid stated, solid is converted into gas. A process is known as sublimation. Like in camphor, naphthalene balls, they directly convert into solid gases without going into liquid state. Now the gases, if they are, can be also deposited into solid or can be converted into solid state without going to liquid state, that is called deposition. So all the three states of matter are interconverted into each other by applying various temperature and pressure. And notice one important thing, students. The pressure do not have any effect on solid and liquid. Temperature can affect their status of matter. The pressure can't affect, do not have any effect on, do not have any effect on the solids and liquids. And pressure highly affect the gases as the volume increase when applying the high pressure in gases. So pressure do not affect solids and liquids. It is one important point in the interconversion of matter. Thank you.